Good morning. We are going to get into Module 13 today. Module 13 is a sandbox only, so no assignment for Module 13. The reason for that is because the concept that we're going to be covering in Module 13 is a little bit more advanced, and it's a little bit esoteric in terms of it's not something that you're going to use every day. But when you do use it, it's a very, very powerful and very useful. It's almost never the only way to do something. But if you're going on in computer science or any other thing that is related to computing or advanced math, you will encounter this concept. So I'm going to introduce it to you and give you an opportunity to play around with it and get your mind around it. But that's about as far as we're going to take it today. So Module 13 is going to be a one-day module, and then on Thursday, next class, we will take up with Module 14, which is actually going to be very, very important material. So this is a little breather, a little side quest maybe that we can embark on, and hopefully it is interesting and useful for you. So recursion is one of those very academic computer science concepts. And if you can use it effectively in a real life scenario, you should wear that as sort of a badge of honor because it is a fairly high level concept. It seems simple, but the implementation is somewhat difficult sometimes.